Check out this Chrysler 2014 300. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7 painted aluminum, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, gloss black, LT frost beige black leather trim bucket seats, radio, Uconnect 8.4 NCD DVD MP3/nav included, Garmin navigation system Sirius XM traffic 8.4 touchscreen display Sirius XM travel link 1-year Sirius XM travel link service, security alarm, quick order package 22F included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic and transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away.